Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about a very famous song, Imagine, by John Lennon. This song is about hope, peace, and a better world. It asks us to think about how life could be if we all worked together. Let's look at the words of this song and learn the story behind it. The song begins with these words: Imagine there's no heaven, it's easy if you try. No hell below us, above us, only sky. What does this mean? John Lennon is asking us to picture a world without heaven or hell. He wants us to imagine a place where there is only the sky above us. He is asking us to think about life without the things that separate people. In this first line, Lennon is not telling us what to believe. He is simply asking us to imagine, to think about what life could be like if we did not have these differences. He continues, Imagine all the people living for today. Here, Lennon is saying that if we do not worry about heaven or hell, we can focus on living right now. We can enjoy each day and make the most of it. We can care about each other and be kind to one another today. Next, Lennon sings, Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. This is the main idea of the song. Lennon is asking us to think about a world without countries, without borders. He asks us to imagine that there are no divisions between people. If there are no countries, there are no wars over land or power. If there is no religion, then there is nothing to fight about because of different beliefs. He dreams of a world where everyone is equal and lives together in peace. He then says, Imagine all the people living life in peace. Lennon is not just talking about stopping wars. He is talking about a world where everyone can feel safe, where people care for each other, and where there is understanding between all people. Now comes the most famous part of the song, the chorus. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one. Here, Lennon knows that his ideas are big, and that some people might think they are impossible. He calls himself a dreamer, but he says that he is not the only one. Many people want the same thing, a world that lives together in peace. Lennon is inviting us all to join him in this dream. He hopes that one day, everyone will come together and the world will be united, as one. The song goes on, Imagine no possessions, I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger, a brotherhood of man. Lennon is asking us to think about a world without too many things. He wants us to imagine a world where people do not care so much about money or what they own. If there are no possessions, there is no reason to be greedy. If we all share, there is no hunger. In this world, everyone would help each other. Lennon calls this a brotherhood of man. This means that all people are like brothers and sisters, part of one big family. He repeats, Imagine all the people sharing all the world. Lennon is asking us to picture a world where everyone shares what they have. There are no rich or poor people, just people working together and helping each other. So, when did John Lennon write this song? He wrote Imagine in 1971, after his band, the Beatles, broke up. John Lennon wrote this song with his wife, Yoko Ono. At that time, the world was going through hard times. There were wars, and many people were afraid. People were fighting in different countries, and there was not much peace. Lennon wanted to give people hope. He wanted to show that we can dream of a better world. He wanted the song to be like a prayer, a wish for peace and unity. When Imagine was released, many people listened to it. Some people did not agree with Lennon's ideas, but many loved the song. It became very popular around the world. Today, people still listen to Imagine when they think about peace and hope. Imagine is not just a song. It is an idea. Lennon wanted us to think about how we can make the world better. He wanted us to dream big dreams. He wanted us to believe in peace. The song's message is still important today, many years later. Every time we hear Imagine, we can remember that peace is possible. We can remember to share, to help each other, and to hope for a better world. Let's remember some important words from the song: peace, world, hope, dream, easy, join, share. These are simple words, but they are very important. Peace means no fighting. World means all the people on earth. Hope means wishing for something good. Dream means thinking about something better. Easy means not hard. Join means to come together. Share means to give to others. John Lennon's dream is still alive today. Many people around the world hope for peace. Many people want to live in a world without war, without hunger, and without hate. Imagine helps us remember that we can all try to make the world better. Even if it seems hard, we can dream. And dreaming is the first step to making something real. Thank you for listening to this story about Imagine by John Lennon. Remember the words, imagine all the people sharing all the world. Let's all try to share, to help each other, and to hope for a future where everyone can live in peace, together. The song Imagine is a message for everyone, a message that we can all be dreamers, and maybe one day the world will be as one.